Hello students. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will solve question number 51 to 60 of determinants. The link to download the PDFs will be in description, as well as at the end, I will show you how you can download the updated copy of the PDF from the website. And I will also show you my question answer website where you can come and ask questions or give answers to questions, because YouTube is not really suitable for mathematics. For example, you can't type determinants like this in YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. We had to solve these 5 equations. We are on question 51. So question 51 is the determinant x2, 3, 6x plus 4, 4, 7, 8x plus 8 is equal to 0. So what we do is we do column 3 is equal to column 3 minus column 2. We get x2 1, 6x plus 4 minus x, 7, 8x. Once we have that, we do R2 is equal to R2 plus R3. We get x2 1, 13x plus 12, 0, 7, 8x. Once we have that, we do C1 is equal to C1 minus x3. And C2 is equal to C2 minus 2C3. So we arrive at this. We have 2 zeros here and 1 here. We expand along this one. We get a cubic equation, x cubed plus 12x squared minus 33x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now, if you look at the sum of the coefficients, 1, 12, 20 will be 33 and minus 33 is 0. So 1 will be definitely a factor. So once you substitute 1, that is, you divide this by x minus 1, you get x squared plus 13x minus 20. And whose roots are minus 13 plus minus square root of 249 upon 2. Question 52 is x2, 3, 4x1, x2, 5 is equal to 0. So what we do here is R1 is equal to R1 minus 3R2 and R3 is equal to R3 minus 5R2. So you see this one here, we use this one to make this 3 and 5 0. So we have this determinants. After that, we expand along the third column, mid element. We get x minus 20 times 3x minus 2 minus x minus 12 times 5x minus 2, which gives us x is equal to plus minus 2 square root of 2. Question 53 is x plus a, b, c, a, x plus b, c, a, b, x plus c is equal to 0. So here we do column 1 is equal to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. We get x plus a plus b plus c in the first column. We take that out and then we will have 1, 1, 1. And we do our R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. We are left with 1 BC, 0x, 0, 0, 0x. So we can either expand along the, first column with this one. We get x squared. So we have x plus a plus b plus c times x squared as the product, which is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus a plus b plus c, or 0. Question 54 is 3 plus x, 5, 2, 1, 7 plus x, 6, 2, 5, 3 plus x is equal to 0. So we do column 1 is equal to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Okay. So there is something wrong here. There's something wrong in the question, because if we add this, then 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14 will be here. This will be x plus 10, this will be x plus 10. So we will skip this question. There is some typing mistake here, and it won't be x plus 10. Okay, we will skip this question. I will see what is the correct question, and then we will see about it. Question 55 is, show without expanding at any stage that a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, b plus c, c plus a plus b, c plus a plus b, b plus c is equal to 2 times the determinant abc, bca, cab. So, okay, 55. So the first determinant can be, first column we have split a plus b into ab, b plus c into bc, c plus a into c and a. Once we do that, we expand the second, we split the second column as well, and we get 4 determinants here. Now out of these 4 determinants, this will be equal to 0 because 2 columns are equal to 0. And once we have done that, we will have 3 determinants. So we split this one also equal to 0, C and A. So once we do that, we have 5 determinants here. And out of 5, 4 are equal to 0. Okay. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. So this should be 5 determinants, right? Let me think carefully. There should be 6 determinants because there are 3 which we are splitting. So out of 6, 4 are 0 and ABC, BCA, CAB and BCA, CAB, ABC are there. So we exchange the columns of this last determinant twice. We get twice of ABC, BCA and CAB. Now we look at question 56. It's a similar question and you can solve it similarly. It is an exact replica of 55. And similarly for 57, it is a replica of 55 and 56. You can try to solve this as well. If you cannot solve it, let me know. You just go on splitting on the sums of this and you will arrive at that result. Okay. Optionally, what can we do is that I have written that it is similar and can be solved similarly. And I don't have a mechanism to write and show you 57. But let's try this. Okay. So if you split this column, you will have cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma in one, and sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma in another. Now let's assume this part. Okay. So when you will split this one, you will get cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma in one. That will be 0. The other one will be cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. That will constitute one part of this. Now we consider sin alpha, sin beta, and sin gamma. This will be minus, and we will have the plus of this. So we split it. So cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. You exchange the columns, and you have second part of this. And then the sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, and sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, 2 columns will be identical and 0. So that's how you get this. Okay. Question 58 says that a minus 1 whole square, a square plus 1a, b minus 1 whole square, b square plus 1b, c minus 1 whole square, c square plus 1c is equal to 0. So we expand the first column. We will get a square minus 2a plus 1, b square minus 2b plus 1, and c square minus 2b plus 1. And then we do column 1 is equal to column 1 minus column 2. We will be left with minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c. Now we take out minus 2a, you will have 2 identical columns, first and third, and therefore it will be 0. Now 59 is 0cb minus c 0a minus b minus a minus b 0 is equal to 0, not minus 0, 0. Okay, we have to prove this. So we multiply all rows by minus 1 and exchange rows into corresponding columns. We will have delta is equal to minus delta, so delta is equal to 0. Question 60 is 1, 1, 1, ABC, ABC, C, sorry. 1, 1, 1 is the column, first column, ABC, BC, CA, AB is equal to 1A, A square, 1B, B square, 1C, C square. So what we do is we multiply row 1 with A, row 2 with B, and row 3 with C. So we'll have to divide by ABC as well. So we get ABC here, A square, B square, C square, ABC, ABC, ABC. So now what we can do is we can take ABC out from this. Okay. Once we take ABC out, it will become 1, 1, 1. And then we exchange columns twice. First we change for column 3 to column 2 and then column 2 to column 1. And we will have the desired result. So with this, we come to the end of 60 questions. So now we look at the website. So website is justtalker.org. And you can download Algebra, Trigonometry, and Coordinate Geometry PDF from here. The downloaded PDF will not contain the date, so you should add this date into your PDF, and you should come and check when the PDF has been updated. For example, this was updated on 12th. Today is 14th. So it will be quite frequently updated because I'm writing this one right now. It is not complete yet. Miscellaneous coding sections is done. Okay, I have not updated this. Miscellaneous problems are being done for this. So I cannot put the date in the PDF because that will make all existing links invalid. Also, coordinate geometry is also available in HTML format. So you can click that and you will see that this is the thing. So if you read this, it uses math and MathML. So I would recommend you to use Firefox because Firefox is as best MathML engine. Although I expect that Safari, Chrome, and Edge will also support because they also support MathML, although support is not as good as Firefox. And the question answer website where you can come and ask questions is kundika.ashtavakra.org. You can create a login here and you can use the tags of algebra, calculus, coordinate geometry, geometry, probability, trigonometry. And if your question does not fall in one of these, you can use mathematics as the generic tag. So some users are here who can answer your questions, and I will be also there. And if you are an expert, then you can also give answer to other users' questions. So with this, I will end this video here, and in the next video, we will solve question number 61 to 70. So I hope that you have learned something in this video and found it useful. So thanks a lot for watching the video. We'll meet again tomorrow with 10 more problems. Till then, stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy.